This video describes the use of the KBS three-step system and cavity coater to remove rust from a trailer door and seal it against further rusting.
Okay, today we have another project. As you can well see, the bottom of this trailer door has some rust in it. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean all that up. Going to give her the three-step process, the clean, the RustBlast, then the RustSeal, and try to seal that up well. Okay, we're back to the trailer project. Now, as you can well see, we've already taken the wire wheel, the wire brush, we've sanded it, we've gotten this area ready for clean. So now we're going to go ahead and use the KBS Klean. We've got her mixed up 10-to-1 in a spray bottle. We're going to spray that on the surface. We're going to scrub it good. Then we're going to rinse it with a hose. And then we'll be back. Okay, so now we've went ahead and we've used the KBS Klean on all of the surface. Now we're going to use the RustBlast. And RustBlast only works on new bare metal. Okay, so we're only going to spray and scrub in the areas that are bare metal. And once we get all done with that, we'll be rinsing it, drying it, and then we'll be ready for the first coat of RustSeal. Okay, we're back with the trailer project. We've done the clean, we've done the blast, and now we're going to start coating it with its first coat of RustSeal. We're going to dip the brush about halfway in. Let's see what you're doing there, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and brush on a nice thin, even coat. We're going to brush it out one way, like so. Now we're going to go ahead and give this whole thing its first coat. We're going to let it dry to the touch and no fingerprint. Approximately 2 to 3 hours. It's kind of humid today. It's going to get a little warm, so we should be good within a couple, 3 hours. And then we'll give it a second coat. All right, well, we'll be back. Okay, we're back to the trailer project. And we've got our second coat of RustSeal on. So we're just going to go ahead then and let it cure out. Looks beautiful, leveled out nice. We're going to let it cure out and go ahead and close the trailer up. We are going to do one farther step, and we're going to use some cavity coater in this bottom piece of channel. Here, we're going to have to drill a hole, fill it full of cavity coater, and then use a rubber plug. And we'll show you that once we get to that point.
Cavity coater is the perfect solution for hard-to-reach areas that are prone to rusting. Cavity coater is a single-step, super-penetrating, corrosion-inhibiting coating designed for long-term protection on all metal surfaces. KBS Cavity Coater provides a self-healing film which provides insane rust protection on hard-to-reach areas.
Okay, we're back to the trailer project, and now that we're all done doing the three-step KBS process, we're going to go ahead and coat the inside of this piece of channel with the cavity coater. So first of all, we're going to drill a hole. Just a little bit larger than the wand tip. We've drilled a hole right into the area that we want to protect. We're going to coat the inside of this piece of channel with the KBS Cavity Coater. All right, so we've already drilled the hole. So we're going to go ahead then and take the cap off, and we're going to mount the hose onto the can. We're just going to kind of put it on there and kind of give it a light twist to the side, like so. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that wand into the hole. And remember, always shake the can at least 1 to 2 minutes after the ball starts moving around, which we've already done. So once you've fed the wand in as far as you can, now you want to hit the can, and then we're going to pull it out a foot a second. And that's going to put a wax coating all throughout the inside of that area. Just like so. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the other side, and we're all coated on the inside. Thank you so much.
Thanks for taking time to watch this video. We hope you find these money-saving and time-saving tips useful.